Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.com. Manual testing is a type of software testing in which a test case is manually executed by the tester without the assistance of any automated tools. Companies use manual testing as a method of identifying bugs or problems in their software. While some describe this as a simple or primitive form of testing, it ultimately establishes the functionality of a program without requiring the use of third-party testing tools. All forms of software testing have some manual aspects, as there are some features of an application that are simply impossible to test without some manual intervention. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.